Hello everyone, so I am Jisnoor and we are finally starting with small letters now. So now you have learned about the basic strokes. So what you have to do is while you make these, remember those strokes very nicely. That will really help you in developing your memory about this kind of calligraphy or whenever you are writing. So do not miss any of the steps. You will see I will be telling you each and every letter with steps. There are certain letters which have more than one variation, so I will be sharing those also with you. So let's just start. I will write every letter with a pen and maybe some I'll write with a sketch pen also to show you the difference. Of course with a sketch pen it's more thick, looks a little more beautiful because it's dark, but you will get a better practice if you start with a gel pen. But anyways you can use any tool, you don't have to just stick to one, but that is my personal opinion. So you should use a lot of tools, whatever is available at home. Don't just stick to one because you're learning something, so it's good you learn in all details you can. So let's start with alphabet A. As I told you, we usually start all our letters with an entrance stroke. So entrance stroke is the first stroke, second stroke is an oval in this, and third stroke is a underturn in this. Underturn. So you can see these three strokes are being used. So let me just make this an entrance stroke, then an oval, and then an underturn. Next is to darken. As I told you, we always darken the right sides. Again, for this underturn we had to darken this side. Try to keep it parallel. This darkening area should not be thick or thin. Now we will just darken it using this pen. So that is how you can write an A. You can create so many variations on your own when you have the idea of strokes and you are aware about it. So you can see this is how you can make an A. Let us just make one A with a sketch pen also. Again starting with an entrance stroke, then an oval. And usually we are into the habit of writing and running and writing. Just try to break the strokes in this for better grip and for better alphabets. Now we will darken the right sides. Just darken these. Of course there's a little difference, but you can see how well we can create it with any tool. Next we are moving on to B. So I have variations for B also. First we are going to be using a loop here. Then for the second step is making a B like this. Then from the right side we will double it, and again on the right side, that is all the down strokes. Either you can do this way or you could go up also. I should have gone up, but since इसमें space अंदर ज़्यादा थी, I've taken it like that. So try following rules, but in case like just now I made it, it won't be wrong. So nothing is wrong, only the thing is that your writing should look beautiful. But these rules really help you in coming out with great alphabets. I'm trying to explain each and every alphabet with a lot of stress on steps, so please follow these. I know you would be in the hurry of making it, but then you won't get the perfect letters. Then for the next one, first we make an entrance loop, entrance stroke over here, which we didn't make for this one. Then we make a loop in this, and then the final one is this. Shading the right side, trying to make a parallel line as much as possible, and again over here. So I'm creating different variations, as you can see. Even these little loop differences will make the difference. Then I'm going to be creating this one also. Again an entrance stroke in this, then a loop, and the second step. And in this you can see we just have one downstroke that I've filled in the right hand side. You could either make it like this or you can directly make it as a loop also. It is up to you. So this is how we make P. Next let's move on to the alphabet C. For C it's simple. First we take an entrance loop over here and then just give it a curve of C. And finally I will be just shading this part, the one which is coming down, the downstroke area. For the next one, I'm just using this pen with no much variations, like I'm just trying to give it a little curve, just trying to create something very different, like this, and doubling it over here. So this is how I have created a C. So it's all up to you. You can thicken it, you can keep it the way it is. Next I am moving on to D. Now for D you can see again we have two variations. For the first variation I do is first make an entrance loop, then make an oval over it, and slowly when you start making you'll see that your hand is just getting fixed to that, so you don't have to worry that much. Then I'm taking the loop like this and just connecting it like this. So it's up to you how you want to do. Now you just have to remember where all did we make downstroke, so we will be doubling those areas or shading those areas, any word you can use for this. Then I used it here, again I'm going to be doing it on the right hand side. You can make numerous variations out of every alphabet. I'm just giving you few ideas, others you can make on your own. For this I'm using a sketch pen now. In this I'm using the entrance loop, the oval, and in this we're using this descending loop over here. Now the downstrokes will be shaded. So this is how we make D. Try practicing all of these letters, and with this you can even make more variations, but for initial you can start with this.